Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
This diagram shows a section of a cell surface membrane where we know that our cell surface membrane is made up of two layers of phospholipid molecule arranged in a bilayer. So how is it possible? So we know that the phospholipid has a head that is hydrophilic because it's made up of a phosphate. So we usually call it the hydrophilic phosphate head, and the tail is actually made up of hydrophobic hydrocarbon, or sometimes it's known as fatty acid chain. So the hydrophilic phosphate will be facing the aqueous environment, which is here, which is usually the tissue fluid. And the other side of the aqueous environment will be usually the cytoplasm. With this, what causes the phospholipid molecule to be arranged as shown? So the heads are hydrophilic, correct, and point towards the water molecule, not wrong. The heads are hydrophobic, we know this is wrong. And the tails are hydrophilic, we know this is incorrect. And the tails are hydrophobic and pointing towards the water. If you're hydrophobic, you'll be away from water molecules. That's why they point inwards, forming a hydrophobic core, which is here. So this is the main part of the membrane that actually prevents water-soluble molecules from passing through. So the only correct answer here is A.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.